Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute since the last time I made a video and I am back. I am gonna be coloring my hair again, of course. That's mainly what my channel has become. I am gonna be starting fresh again. I am gonna be bleaching this. As you can tell, my roots are pretty dark. And then the ends are kind of like a reddish brown, I'd say medium-ish color. I am going to try and go for a light brown, so I have to bleach it first before I can get to that step. So if you want to see the process, then let's get started. Alright, so the color I will be using today is from Garnier Nutrisse. It is an advanced lightening cream. It's the PL1 lightest platinum, and they're calling it coconut. So it's not gonna come out to this color, but I want to try to get it as close as possible. I'm gonna probably end up using this twice because my hair is short, to try to get it lighter and not too much gold orangey color. I wanted to kind of get it as white as possible. So let's get started. Alright, now that I got my mix, I am going to try and start with the ends, and then I'm going to work my way up to the roots. Alright, so I'm gonna just let these ends process for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and then do the rest of my head. Alright, so I'm back and it's been about 10 minutes and that's how my ends look. They are processing, and now I'm just gonna do the whole head. So I'm going to let this sit on my hair for about 15 minutes, and if I need to apply more, because I have a little bit left in here, then I will put it on the spots that are still a little too dark or a little orangey, and I will get back to you. Alright, I'm back. It's been maybe 15 minutes, and I ended up putting this cellulose wrap on my hair just to keep the heat in and make it process a little bit faster. So I haven't checked it, but I know there's still some dark spots, so I'm gonna end up reapplying more lightening cream to it. So yeah. So this is where we're at right now. Yeah, you can see a lot of dark spots. So I'm gonna go back in there and put some more product. Just gonna put my gloves back on. Alright, so I put the rest of the product in my hair, and I am gonna put more of the wrap on and let it cook for about 15 minutes, and then I will rinse it out and show you the final results. Hi beauties, I am back. I just got done rinsing out the lightening cream or bleach, and I haven't seen the end result, so we're gonna do it together now. Yeah, so let's see what happens. So this is the final result. Now keep in mind it is wet, so when I dry it, it will be lighter, but it looks like a pretty nice color. Here's the back. Now, it's not going to stay like this. I am going to be making another part 2 video using this Clairol Professional Soy 4-Plex liquid color. It's in light cool brown 4A. I picked this up at Sally Beauty. So like I said in the beginning, I just want to try to go to a light brown. And in order to do that, I needed to get rid of the dark that I had, so yeah. Alright beauties, well thank you for watching this video. Make sure to stay tuned for part 2, and until my next video, bye beauties.